fish. So when you fry it, it's not gonna be like like too dry or So you have to combine with black pepper, salt, and secret ingredient is how you call it. And they go like this. And just see. So when you fry it, everything's already like marinade. So you have to like salt and eggs and whatever you need to fucking put inside, or you just put everything inside together. So and then don't forget the main ingredient is this one, the bush light. So you just pour a little bit of bush light inside and then massage it. So when you massage it, everything's gonna be like stick together and marinate the fish. So it's gonna be tender and everything like this. So this is how we do it in ranch style or Palau / Layhay style. So this is how you're gonna put it. And then all of a sudden, just crack to fucking 2 eggs and put it inside. And then you just oh shit, oh yeah, really good. So you just throw it outside, boys. It's in my house. So all you just go like this and then put 2 eggs inside. And then massage it like how you massage your cock when every morning when you got horny and your wife will have a period. So it's how we do it. So when you fry, when you just massaging is everything put together, and then let it like soak and marinate for like an hour, and then you want to fry it. And when you fry it, oh god, and this is how you do it. Okay, lay it like that, and then it's call it like a salt and in Palau we call it like a sarma alu, and it's how you cook. Fillet all the meat and put aside. That's why you're gonna the fry, and then this is how it is. You're gonna sarma alu, and then all now just leave it like massage it for a while, and then that's it. And after that, next episode we're gonna start showing you how we're gonna fry it. Good. Fuck you.